Hi everyone, how are you? Hopefully we all good. I'm Lea Rizky Sumana Putri from 3C class. Today I talk about vocabulary in English. Okay, let's start. Vocabulary is our words used in the English language. We must master the vocabulary so it is easy to use English, be it the manufacture of a sentence or conversation. Vocabulary, there are two kinds, namely productive and unproductive. Vocabulary productive means that we often use every day, while vocabulary unproductive is the vocabulary that exists but it is rarely used in everyday life. Okay, let's talk about productive vocabulary. Why we said to be productive? Because the vocabulary is always used in English. The characteristic of the productive vocabulary is the vocabulary that we often hear or not unfamiliar hearing. Productive vocabulary also usually easy to understand the meaning of significance. For example, vocabulary productive is like angry. For example, in the sentence is I can be angry when you disturb her. And then now let's talk about vocabulary unproductive. Why is said to be unproductive? Because the vocabulary rarely used in the manufacture of a sentence or a conversation in English. Vocabulary is sometimes difficult to understand because the vocabulary is rarely used in everyday life. Example of unproductive vocabulary is the word like ruffle or wrinkle, glaring, or glad, blinding. The words above are words that are rarely used in conversation or English sentence. We have much to learn vocabulary used to add to our knowledge. Vocabulary increasing more time and a lot has changed. We have much to learn that we master all the existing vocabulary. The way to learn vocabulary, there are various kinds such as watching TV, reading the news, reading a newspaper, reading a novel, and so on. So, if you like reading novel or reading the novel could be an excellent medium to support our learning about vocabulary. And then, by watching TV, so many television about show that can add to our knowledge. In the event or televisions, a lot of new vocabulary word in conversation or text run. And in addition, we can add to our vocabulary by reading a newspaper. Vocabulary holds permanent importance in communication, especially orally. It is believed that we have more vocabulary of the students, the more easily they develop the four language skill: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If we master the vocabulary, of course we will be easy to apply daily life. So we learn vocabulary as much as possible. If you have any question, please ask to me in leaalesia22@gmail.com. Thank you for watching and hopefully useful. Bye bye, see you next time.